Hello, everyone. In this video, we will learn an easy English story together. I will read it slowly and clearly, then explain with translation to help you understand. Stay until the end to enjoy the story and learn useful words and sentences. Let's begin our story now. My name's Isabella, and I live with my family in San Francisco, California. I was born in Denver in 1997, but we moved to California when I was a child. I have a big family, 2 brothers and 2 sisters. My oldest brother is Michael. He's a lawyer, and he was born in 1988. Then comes my sister, Anna. She's a university professor of history, and she was born in 1991. My younger brother is David. He was born in 2000, and he's studying medicine at college now. Finally, there's my little sister, Emily. She's the youngest in the family. She was born in 2005, and she's still in high school. My father's name is John. He's a police officer, and he was born in Texas in 1962. He loves designing houses and buildings. My mother's name is Mary. She's from Seattle, and she was born in 1965. She's a journalist, and she works for a famous newspaper. I also have my grandmother living with us. She is my mother's mother. Her name is Margaret. But everyone calls her Maggie. She was born in 1938 in Canada. She's retired now, but she used to be a teacher, and she often tells us interesting stories about her life when she was young. That's my family, and I'm really proud of them. If you enjoyed this trial video, don't forget to hit like. And if you want to hear longer stories, let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.